Welcome to my brand new condo. Come in, come in. Okay, my new roommate, Alicia. Hey. This is the space we literally just got our keys tonight. But I thought I would do a quick little like empty apartment tour for you guys because I know I like watching that stuff. Let me take you to the kitchen. This beautiful kitchen, which I didn't realize it had white backdrops. This is gonna fit my aesthetic so much more. It's so cute. There's so much space. Yes. Look how much space I can be like a home life in here. Look at this island. It's so cute.
I'm literally in love with this.
So we're kind of doing things a little bit differently in here. The living room space is going to be a bedroom slash kitchenette kind of area, and we're going to turn this into our living room, which I think is actually going to be really, really cute and cozy. We're going to put our couch here, possibly a Christmas tree here. My standing desk is going to be here, and then we're going to have a giant fuzzy carpet and our TV right here, and probably lots of string lights. Let's be real.
Yeah.
She's a great
Absolutely.
This is the living room, which is gigantic. So I think we're agreeing on maybe like a kitchen table here or something, so like maybe a little entertaining area. And then your bed's gonna be along here, right?
Yeah.
Along here, along here. We're not really
Whichever
sure,
way.
Right? Yeah. And then we have the balcony. Whoops, that's...
Unlock it.
The balcony, which look at our view. Look at that.
Oh my God.
Like Rogers Center, we get the CN Tower. It's quiet. Well, ish. I'm gonna take you guys to my room. So this is my space, which is going to be a little bit more girly when I move in. I'm gonna paint this wall like a nice blush pink. And then all the other walls are just gonna be white. It's gonna be pretty basic. And then as I like mentioned once or twice already, I have like this bench that I'm gonna put here, make it like a cute little like window bench. Probably gonna put like a plant or something right here. And then like lace curtains, and then like this gold like wall unit type here. And then my bed's gonna be against this wall. But turn around, best feature of all.
Yes.
This wall to wall closet. Isn't it amazing? I have to like go in here to show them like.
Okay, yeah, let's go in this.
You can definitely fit in there.
Like I am fully immersed in this closet.
I think that's basically. Oh, I can show the washroom.
We need to show the bathroom. We have a bathroom.
Yeah. I know what I'm gonna do like the first day that we're in here, and that's probably take that. So this is the washroom, which is so spacious. It's so cozy in here already, even without all our stuff. But like, check out this bathtub. This bathtub I'm going to live in all winter, and then I'm gonna change that because I'm
that has to
bitch
go.
and I need a better shower head. I'm sorry. I can't wait to see the like shower curtain that you
I know, it's so cute.
But this is our space. Oh, it even has this too. I didn't even notice.
Yes.
So you can hang your towels. That is everything. That's the place. I'm so excited to move in. As of today, we have how many days?
Like 2 now.
2, 3. Well, you have 2. When I officially move in on Sunday, it is Wednesday now, and I can't wait. It's gonna be so cozy in here. We're gonna crack open this wine. Like, I don't even know what kind of wine it is, but it looks really good.
Expensive wine.
We should get some eggnog or something to mix with it.
That's so cute.
Yeah. Oh my God.
It's so cute.
Okay guys, well that is everything. That is the space. I promised you I would show you an empty apartment tour, and here it is. Like, look how spacious and big it is. and it just feels so cozy in here, and I can't wait to decorate. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up. But I will definitely show you guys the moving process and all that stuff. And yeah, I will see you next time.